Tired of just looking at code on GitHub and ready to dive in and start contributing? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone a repository from GitHub directly into Visual Studio Code, making it super easy to access, modify, and contribute to projects. First, let's head over to the GitHub repository you want to clone. Look for the green code button, click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu here. You have a few options. You can either copy the HTTPS URL, or, if you're set up for it, the SSH URL. For this tutorial, we'll grab the HTTPS URL. Just click the copy icon to copy to your clipboard. Now, open up Visual Studio Code, go to the Explorer panel. It's the icon that looks like two files. You might see a Clone Repository button right at the top. If you do, great. Click it. If not, don't worry. We'll use the command palette. Press Ctrl+Shift+ on Windows or CM Shift on Mac to open the command palette. Type in git clone and select the option that says git clone. VS Code will then ask you to provide the repository URL. Paste the URL you copied from GitHub into the input field and press enter. Next, VS Code will ask you where you want to save the cloned repository on your computer. Choose a location and click select repository location. VS Code will then ask, would you like to open the cloned repository? Click open to open the newly cloned repository in VS Code. And that's it. You've successfully cloned the GitHub repository to your local machine. Using Visual Studio Code, you can now start exploring the code, making changes, and contributing back to the project. Happy coding!